All right, Bill, I know you've done a great job impressing me, hopefully impressing everybody else, but Infinidat is impressive. Lots of innovation, um, high performance, and extremely reliable. Within the last few years, you've put a lot of effort into security as well. What advice do you have for organizations that are worried about their data?
Look at everything, right? Question everything, you know, blank slate it, right? I mean, nobody should go into any of this with a predetermined mindset that what they think they may have been doing in the past is right. Look at all the technologies that make up the solution, right? Can they be integrated? Are they stovepiped? Are the key infrastructure elements well addressed? Again, we live at the heart of the data center. People buy our systems to run their most critical applications and host their critical data on. So our strategy has actually changed fairly significantly to be a very technically forward kind of company with great resiliency, and we provide we've always offered 100% availability in our platforms, and we provide performance guarantees to our customers. But right now, that's tertiary and the third and fourth thing on the list that they're looking at, right? What they're thinking about first and foremost is, how does it fit into my cyber strategy? And then how do I make it an effective use of my overall infrastructure? And then they're worried about the performance and availability aspects. So we really kind of led the industry when we started talking about our InfiniSafe technology and what it does, and all that core technology is built into the system. We don't bolt it on. It's fully integrated. It's tightly integrated. It's included. So all those core elements are nothing that you even have to think about. They're there. You just basically have to, turn it on and configure it. And after that, it's really easy. We don't have implementations from a cyber strategy perspective on primary storage that take weeks or months to implement. It's literally there. You turn it on, you start doing immutable snapshots. We have orchestration tools, we have automation tools, we have Ansible modules to help customers with all of this stuff. And we have a very unique capability, I think, in the industry from a primary storage perspective, that gives us a big heads up on most of our competition around what they're doing in primary, because most of our competitors are thinking about it as a storage-centric strategy, and we're really trying to look and broaden that into the security environment with our InfiniSafe ACP, and then being able to have CyberSense at the back end of that whole strategy to orchestrate it from end to end gives us that I think that very unique solution that I can't tell you how cost effective it is, right? Because the numbers that we talk about, if you have a cyber attack and you can't recover data, are enormous.
Right. And we outlined some of those costs. I think time to recovery in and of itself, and being able to trust the data, that the data is clean when you do that recovery, minimizes that loss, minimizes those costs, and it helps a company recover faster, recover quicker, recover smarter, and just flat out recover from one of these devastating attacks. So often we've heard of a company recovering and then they actually get attacked again because they recovered the ransomware, along with everything. So it's really it's to your point, being able to get back with all the features that InfiniSafe offers within within the Infinidat platforms, it's huge for customers.
Yeah.
So this is all great advice.
Yeah. Sorry to interrupt. We agree, right? I mean, it's hugely important, and again, it's common sense, right? I mean, it's not like we're trying to do something that requires highly technical, highly complex, highly integrated systems. It's common sense thinking to how to make our product strategically better for our customers in the industry.